What's up, everybody? Can you see my call? That's my call, though. So, is the lighting issue better? Well, I got a nice light from Amazon. I think it's better. I just need to get used to it. I do have my police issue headlamp, and I think I got a good lighting right now. So it's kind of creepy to be in here. I'm not gonna lie. This one bug is following me around. Wow, it's really creepy as I thought. Wow. It's pretty fun to have trash cans and a water fountain. It's kind of weird why they have trash cans. They got more trash cans than in town. I'm not afraid of the police, but especially when I'm in here by myself and to get cornered by them, it's kind of sketchy. When I know myself that I'm a good guy, I just explain that I'm doing anything bad because police doesn't do that. They just only think when they know. If you love exploring, who cares what other people think? People just need to mind their own business. And I'm gonna try and explore as much as I can in here. And then, those are kind of creepy. I'm not gonna lie. Even that's creepy. Wow. I truly don't care what police think or do. I can do whatever I want if I don't damage anything, touch anything, wound anything. Because police doesn't have anything on me. So I have my LED light, my new one, and I got my police issue headlamp. But can you see the difference when I turn my headlamp off? Is that awesome? before I start this video, there's 2 calls spying on me what I'm doing. Like, Jesus. And I'm going in there. That'd be terrifying, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Want to see a quick glance of my car? My fingers are like numb. I'm not sure if that's that I'm holding my new setup, new light, new thing, or like I do have good lighting. I just don't have like I'm just practicing how to carry all my lighting at once. So yeah, tell me if you think that's kind of weird. Like really, that's kind of weird, do you think? Yes, I am by myself. This guy's scared to go much I just got goosebumps right now, man. Holy man. Holy. Wow. I just legit get goosebumps. Holy. Holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy. Wow. I just heard something in the water over there, and all of a sudden I just got goosebumps. Wow. That is insane. I want to do a lights out challenge in there with someone. Like, no one wanna come out and explore with me. This is awesome, man. Like, really. Like, I want to do a lights out challenge in there with someone or another YouTuber. That'd be insane. Lots of bugs following me around. My hands are numb. Wow. What's up, everybody? Woo! I'm gonna do my first lights out in the cemetery. Subscribe down below. Share my videos. Like, comment down below. Especially subscribe.
Make it clap, clap.
And here we go. Holy moly!
Make it clap, clap.
So everyone, if you
Make it clap, clap.
Dream Brothers, the Holy Walkers, this is
Make it clap, clap. Make it clap, clap.
Can't even see my tripod right now. That was creepy. Like that wasn't long enough, but like that was insane. Every time I do the trails at nighttime, nothing happens, which is probably is a good thing. But like for content and for YouTube and for you guys to watch it and have your entertainment when you're done work or going to work or have nothing to do, you can watch your favorite YouTuber. You know what I mean? So it's good to give you guys good entertainment. Possibly when I can, I can do it when I wear my work schedule. So just keep the notifications on, and and I'm gonna keep on doing the drive-through challenges, and that's epic, man. Every time I do that, like I won't be afraid to speak up, or like, well, I'm good for speaking up, that's for sure. But like, it's good to like do that and show people that like I can, you know what I mean? I can do whatever when I put my mind to. I have good lighting, so that makes a huge difference. See, that's what I like to see. People show respect. You know what I mean? That's awesome. That's awesome. Kind of creepy actually. In here. Like I kept my car down there. I don't know why, man. Maybe I should have kept my car right here. You know what I mean? On the top level. Not like all the way down there, and wow. You know, like if there's someone in here, like, you know what I mean? And I do this video and I'm down there, wow. Like, thank goodness that I don't do this every single time. So I don't do this every time, so especially when get out of here at night time. That's sketchy. That's really sketchy. So let me know whether comment down below what's closest for abandoned house or abandoned school, or like any like abandoned cars or whatever. If you know anything, then drop me a comment down below, and be awesome. This is actually not like 3 million loan challenge. This is like, just like get my gears back in order, like I'm back in the cemetery, and don't be afraid, just face your fears. Who cares what people think, what I'm doing? Just do what I do, what I do love, and when I'm not working. So I did the lights out challenge in this video. That's for the Eugene brothers and Holy Walkers. What they do is amazing. That's for sure. If there's any local YouTubers, I'm here, folks. Check me out. Look me up. We can explore together. That'd be awesome. That's awesome. Thank God I don't do this every single time. So the police issue headlamps does help out a lot. It does help out a lot. Now, I got a new LED light from Amazon. Moman brand. I think that's a good brand. Man. I don't know. You have to trust what your heart says. Right? My own shadow scared me, man. Oh my god, that scared me. Oh my god. Wow. That scared the Jesus out of me. I pretty much just do like 2 laps around and explore around my car, and then I go. It's a good night. Good night. I told my parents where I'm gonna be, so it's always good to let someone know where we're going, where you're going. Because it's really good to know. Good to go. There's more, like, when you end in your video, at least you can go back to upper light, you know what I mean? Upper lights by the road. And, I don't know why I park over there. Like, I don't know why I do. I could have parked by the exit. I mean, like a quick getaway, actually. Oh boy, that night was crazy. Oh my god, I heard a whisper, and I was by myself, and it was, oh, it was kind of creepy. So, oh my god, wow. So anyways, be you, stay true, live the moment, live your life to the fullest, because I can, because you can too. Because I think I may start doing paranormal on my channel. So let me know what to comment down below if you think I should. Because I'm actually close with ghosts and spirits, as I think I am. So I think I should start doing paranormal on this channel. I'll give you funny, scary, and paranormal, and you know what I mean. If I can do any pranks on somebody, I'll do pranks, you know what I mean, in public, you know what I mean. That'd be funny, you know what I mean. With this disguise, you know what I mean. Oh my god. I'll show a picture of it, and the picture of Miss Guys. I want to do that in the drive-through challenges too. Oh my god, it'll be awesome. Oh my god, people need some funny in their lives. You know what I mean. I will be the clown. I will be the entertainment. Shout out to my YouTube friends. Shout out to my Twitter fam, Instagram fam. And shout out to my YouTube fam and my actual family and my friends. Enjoy your day. Peace. No, this is scissors. Peace. Peace out.
Make it clap, clap. Make it clap, clap. Make it clap, clap.